kind of is a bit dangerous.
Okay, get back, everyone back.
I missed that one, I don't want to hang around.
No. Back! Back! Was that a big one or a small one?
Hey?
Was that a big one or a small one? As.
Ready?
Yeah.
Run!
Fucking hell. Alright. Right. Get one of my tube.
Man, that didn't work.
Right, I need to break my tooth though. Come right up and film this.
No such thing as a broken firework.
Alright. Right, you two out the way.
Why?
Drew, out the way.
Yeah, okay.
So what?
Yeah, ready. Ooh.
Here's the stick.